I'm just tired. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. Now you want to brush? Yeah. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of you everywhere in the world. Happy Mother's Day. How are you all? Yes?
Happy Mother's Day.
Yes, you will say, wait, when I finish.
Okay.
When we get to the living room, okay? You will say. So guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Sunday, and this is going to be like a Sunday vlog in the life. And it's super early. It's about 8 o'clock right now. We just woke up, and I and the kids, and we just want to start our day, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Today is Mother's Day, guys. Today is Mother's Day. Today is Mother's Day. What is it like if you're a mom? What is it like being a mom? Yeah, so guys, ever since I became a mom, my perspective, my view to life, my view to a whole lot of things changed. I've learned to be more patient. Like, I didn't even learn this, it just came naturally. I've learned to be more patient. I've learned a lot of things, you know, as a mom. I've learned to have like empathy on other women. I think the first time after having my first daughter Kaima, I went to the hospital, and when I see a woman with a child, I just have so much respect for that woman. Unlike when I was single, not that I didn't really have respect, but I kind of feel more for a woman with children or a child more than I used to, you know. I remember going to the hospital for the first time with my baby for I think for her to get her 6 weeks vaccine, 6 weeks immunization, and I saw a woman standing with her child, and there was just no space for her to sit. I had to shift, like I had to shift and ask other women to kind of shift for her to sit. That was the way, that was the empathy I felt. I just felt like, oh, she's with a child, she's not supposed to stand. I can imagine what she's going through with a child right now. She's not supposed to stand. Then when I see a woman maybe inside the bus and their kids are crying and everything, I'll just find myself telling the child, don't cry, or carrying the child and everything. I kind of feel more sympathy. Not sympathy, I think is, I don't know the right English. Is it empathy or sympathy? OBKD for... Hey guys, so guys, food is ready. Come and join us. Obi has already started having his yogurt. Obi loves this yogurt so much, and he takes it every morning. He will take like 2 in the morning, and then sometimes during the day I can give him 1 more. Let me off this TV so we can hear, you guys can hear me. So I'm taking part. Sit down, baby.
I need a tissue.
Sit down, Angel.
I need a tissue.
Take a tissue. If you want to blow your nose, go there and blow it.
Me.
Nekwa, short, baby.
Short. One with it.
Bring it down a little. Shana has been having cold for some time now. Though I'm giving her paracetamol, the big one. So I'm going to be taking this. This is Pap Akamo. Then Kama is going to be taking her milk and Milo. Obi, this is Obi's plate for Cerelac. But Obi will have Cerelac just after food. After this, what we're going to eat, Obi will have Cerelac because he doesn't really eat much of this food. So guys, I'm hungry and I'm going to start eating. So guys, come and join us eat.
please.
Come and join us, have breakfast.
Have you forgot your pleases?
The cooking is in a Ferobi.
Have you forgot your please?
Please, guys, come and join us. Eat. Guys are not even seeing my face.
That's better because guys will not.
Please, guys, come and join us. Eat.
Good. That's more like it.
So, guys, Kama made something beautiful for me yesterday. In school on Friday. Today is Sunday. Kama made a beautiful card for me on Friday in school, and she was hiding her school bag. So when we got back, I wanted to get something from her school bag. She said, "No, mommy, don't go there, don't go there." I didn't know she was hiding a card that she made for me. I'll show you guys later. Mother's Day card that she made for me. I didn't know she was hiding it.
And also it said, "Dear Mom, Mariana." And I wanted lots of kiss.
You wrote, baby. You say I wrote a lot of kiss. So she wrote a lot of kisses. She wrote, "I love you, mommy. Happy Mother's Day." So yesterday evening, my husband gave me. I think you gave me your card before Daddy, right?
And my mom, let me show you the flower my mom got now.
Karma.
Let me show you the flower she got now, guys. This is the flower.
So I got the flower from my husband yesterday and a card.
And also it smells really good.
It smells so good.
Yeah, and also I even have my favorite color, pink.
Yeah, it smells so good. Then Kama gave me her card yesterday, Saturday. She was able to keep it in her bag. I just didn't bother because I thought it was just one of those things. When she said, "No, mommy, don't go to my bag," I thought it was just one of those things. But yeah, yesterday evening she brought the card and she said, "Happy Mother's Day, mommy." And then my husband got this card for this flower for me and a card also yesterday.
I want my flower.
And Kama was crying. Kama was crying that she wants a flower too.
No, you will die.
And her dad was like, "You're not a mother yet. When you're a mom, you will get a flower, okay?"
You will die.
Kama was like, "I'm going to make your flower die." So guys, at 1 year and 8 months, Obina will go to the TV and put it on. And put it on and then bring the remote for me, and he will be like, he doesn't talk, but he knows how to tell me that, "Mommy, I want you to play Baby Joy, Joy, Joy." So every time I put that TV off, this boy will still go back there and put it on. So I don't know. Obina is really, like, I feel like for Kaima's maturity at that age is not like Obi's own. Obi is more matured. At 1 year and 8 months, Obi knows a lot of things that I feel as a baby Kaima didn't really know, you know. And I don't know, maybe it's because we stay home so much. At 4 months, Kaima started school, but Obi has not started school yet. But in Nigeria, back home in Nigeria, Kaima started school at 4 months. You guys, this is my flower. This is my flower. It's so beautiful. And you guys, you already know that when someone gets a flower, the first thing to do is to smell it and be like, "Oh, it smells really nice." But you know now, as a woman, if you get a flower, the first thing, like me, when my husband gave me this flower, the first thing I did was to smell it. I'm like, "Oh my god, it smells nice, it smells nice." So yeah, I'm happy to get this. And I got a very lovely card, which is very dear to me. Like, I'm not going to come here and read that card to you guys, but I'm just going to show you that I'm going to show you Kaima's card. So all this makeup, guys, is just for me to take pictures. That's all. I haven't made up in a long time. Some of the vlogs that you guys have been seeing me post are mostly my old vlogs. I haven't really made up in a long time. I feel like for me, motherhood has been overwhelming this few months. Yeah, but I'm happy that I'm able to make up, dress up, and take pictures. Yeah, I'm just celebrating me. Like, I'm just celebrating me, you guys. I'm going to go downstairs to cook. Before I show you the card, I'm going to go downstairs to cook. And we eat rice like maybe 3 times in a week. So I'm going to make one that will last us for a whole week. And I'm also going to make fish for my husband. My husband is not around. The children have been taken care of. Kama is in the room with her iPad, you know, having fun. Obi is here, almost touching the camera. So guys, yeah, this is the card that my little angel Kama made for me. This is the card that Kama made for me. With kisses. And then in here, she made this in school. In here, she wrote, "Dear Mother, Happy Mother's Day. Love from Ariana." Thank you. Thank you, Obi. Kwonyo ku Obi na to talk is hard for him. 1 year and 8 months, and this boy is not talking. So this is Obi's second time of feeding, and I just want to be sure that he is okay before I go start cooking. And I've already changed my outfit. Like, I can't wear all those things too.
Obi, Mommy is so mad with you now.
What happened?
Another one.
Another one? Another one from my flour.
Obi, stop pressing it.
Obi, stop doing that, okay? Come on, wait. Reduce your iPad. Reduce your iPad. Well, let's go and change your outfit. Okay, now let's go to the room. Kaima's room. Go to Kaima's room. To Kaima's room. You change your diaper. So I'm going to change his diaper, change his clothes. Hello guys, oh my goodness guys, like it's been a day, and thank God right now it's about 9 o'clock or to 9 o'clock. I'm not with my phone here to check, but so I'm happy that Kaima has gone to bed. Obi also has gone to sleep. Obi doesn't sleep so fast, but because their dad is already asleep, because my husband worked today. This is the first time like in 3 years that my husband is working on Sunday. So because his dad is already asleep, so he just had to sleep beside his dad, and I went in to see that he has fallen asleep. And you guys, I'm so tired. I'm using my Mary Kay oil free eye makeup remover to remove this makeup, even though some of them have removed. But yeah, I'm just using it to clean up the remaining mess. So it's been a day, you guys, and yeah, today is Mother's Day. I'm happy that, you know, even though intentionally I didn't really enjoy myself the way I thought I was going to, because I didn't know my husband was going to work today. The first Mother's Day I enjoyed in this country, my husband kind of cooked for me. So Mother's Day, my husband is always cooking for me, and I just have to rest, you know, on that day. So I totally thought it was going to be something like that, not knowing that he was going to work today. Let's talk about motherhood. For me, you guys, sometimes motherhood is overwhelming, because sometimes unintentionally I give like a whole of my day sometimes to taking care of my children, making sure that they're fine, making sure that they're okay, making sure that they're not playing and maybe injuring themselves. You guys, please ignore this our green towel. Ignore that our green towel. You know, sometimes I just spend like maybe 4 days, 5 days just focusing on my children and not doing anything else. And yeah, so I feel like motherhood takes a whole lot from me, which is exactly what it ought to be. Like today, you guys, if I want to film a day in my life, today I have shouted, I have screamed, I have, you know, I have walked like upstairs and downstairs. I have given Obi and Kaima food more than 7 or 8 times today, because my children can eat like every 3 hours. Even though they don't eat so much, they eat little. But Kaima keeps asking for something different. Kaima keeps asking for something else. Kaima can eat something now, and the next 3 hours she's asking for another thing entirely. And then sometimes I just feel like, okay, as a mom, let me just do it and please her. But sometimes I'll be like, no, I'll be so rigid. I'll be like, no, eat what is available. So what I do, like in the morning when I make breakfast, I make very plenty. So because I know that she's going to come back again for another one. So when she comes back at maybe the next 3 hours and she'll be like, "Mommy, I'm hungry," I'll be like, "Go and finish your breakfast." So that's how it's been. I just find a way to walk around it. But the good thing about being a mom is that there's just no like training or dictionary for it. You just do what you can do. But at the end of the day, every mom just tries. Every mom just does their best to make sure that their children are happy, to make sure that their children are okay. You guys, this night I still have to go and iron Kaima's uniforms, because tomorrow is school, and I just love to iron her uniform so that I can wake up late, like 7 o'clock. She goes to school at 9. But if I don't iron those uniforms this night, then I have to wake up very early in the morning to iron them, and that's just what I don't want. So after bathing, I'm still going to go and iron her clothes. So guys, in the comment section, let me know, what has motherhood been like to you as a mom, especially moms with very, very young kids. For me, sometimes it's not easy. For me, sometimes I just feel like I'm tired. I'm just tired. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. So guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. If you like vlogs like this, just a day in the life, like one day vlog, let me know in the comment section. And also, you guys, I'm really trying to see what I can do. I want to do more of sit down videos, and I wish to do more of sit down videos, even though it's not easy because Obi is not going to school yet. He has not started school. Kaima has started. Obi is still at home, and Obi is very little. By the time I'm telling him, "Nah, keep quiet, keep quiet," that's when he'll be screaming and shouting. I want to do a lot of sit down videos, and I also want to bring back my cooking videos. In the comment section, you people should give me suggestions. What do you think I can also do to grow my channel? Because you guys, I want to grow this channel. I think I have not given a lot to this channel, and it really bothers me. I know that I haven't put a lot in this channel. I haven't put in the work at all. And I'm ready to put in the work. You guys should suggest to me, what do you think I can do to grow this channel? So guys, I'm going to clean my face. I'm going to take a shower, and I'm going to go iron up Kaima's clothes for school tomorrow before I go to bed. So I'll see you guys in another video. Please like, share, send a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.